Presenting the Sony WI-C400 Wireless In-Ear Headphones. The earphones come with hands-free microphone, enabling you to take calls easily while on the go. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it gives you 20 hours of battery life. The neckband design is comfortable for all-day usage. The earbuds are shaped to fit snugly. Connect to any device that supports Bluetooth or NFC. The 9mm neodymium drivers provide crisp and detailed listening experience with well-balanced sound signature. It has 3 control buttons that allow you to adjust the volume, play, pause, and skip tracks, or take calls, talk to Google Assistant, all without reaching out for your phone. The neckband also vibrates to let you know when you receive calls. This in-ear headphone is available in 4 color variants: black, blue, white, and red. These earphones come with earbuds, USB cable, operating instructions, and reference guide inside the box. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.